Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about how you can change notification bar tutorial in your Samsung smartphone, how you can change it. So first friends, you have to open your settings. You can see this is the notification bar, how you can change this setting. So you have to scroll down, you can click on notification. Here it is, lock screen notification or notification pop style. Here you will see the brief one and the detailed one. In brief you will the message will be showed in brief view, in a short view, and in detailed, when someone send you message, it will be in detailed view. So you can choose in between. All notification pop-up will appear as detailed, like this. You can choose it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.